You'd assume that more people thinking about a problem together would lead to a better decision than any one person alone. In many documented cases, the exact opposite happens, and the reason has a specific name: groupthink. Groupthink was first formally described by psychologist Irving Janis in 1972, after he studied a series of major historical decision-making failures, including some catastrophic government and military miscalculations. He found a consistent pattern. When a group of people, especially one that gets along well and values harmony, faces a high-stakes decision, individual members frequently suppress their own doubts or objections rather than risk conflict or appearing disloyal to the group. This happens through several specific mechanisms working together. There's an illusion of invulnerability, where the group collectively starts believing it simply can't be wrong because so many capable people agree. There's also what's called self-censorship, where individual members who privately have concerns choose to stay silent, assuming that since nobody else is objecting, their doubt must be unfounded or unimportant. This creates a dangerous illusion of unanimous agreement, when in reality, several people in the room might be quietly uneasy but saying nothing. One of the most striking documented examples involves the 1961 Bay of Pigs invasion, where a team of experienced, intelligent advisors approved a plan that, in hindsight, had glaring flaws that individual members later admitted they had privately doubted at the time, but never voiced during the actual meetings. The pressure to maintain group cohesion effectively silenced the very expertise that was supposed to prevent the failure. There's also a phenomenon called group polarization, closely related but distinct. When people with similar leanings discuss a decision together, their collective conclusion often ends up more extreme than any individual's original position, because the group dynamic reinforces confidence and discourages moderation. The unsettling part is that groupthink tends to show up most in groups that seem, from the outside, like they should make the best decisions. Highly educated members, strong leadership, and a shared sense of purpose. Those exact same qualities, cohesion and mutual trust, are what suppress the internal disagreement healthy decision-making actually requires. Some organizations have tried to counteract this deliberately by assigning someone the specific role of devil's advocate in high-stakes meetings, whose entire job is to argue against the group's leaning direction, forcing the room to defend its position rather than simply agree with it. It's a strange fix, essentially manufacturing conflict on purpose, because the alternative, unchecked agreement, has proven, repeatedly, to be far more dangerous.